Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have one exercise like on paper. So this equation that our equation is 2 multiply h power 4 minus 13 multiply h and power 3 plus 24 multiply h squared and minus 13 8 and plus 2 equal 0. Do you know how to solve this? If you know, please do it. When you do it already, please come back to watch my video from beginning to the end to verify your solution. And before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Okay, now don't spend my time. We go to the solution together. So this equation is 4 degrees. And so this, I use substitution. And how to substitute of this equation? Okay, now I divide both sides of this equation with h squared. So this, I get 2h squared and minus 13h and plus 24 and minus 13 divided by 8 and plus 2 divided by h squared equal 0. You see this? Have the same. And this have the same. So this I can write 2 multiply h squared plus 1 divided by h squared. And this minus 13 multiply 8 and plus 1 divided by 8 and plus 24 equal 0. And we see this. We also can write it 8 squares plus 2 and multiply 8 and multiply 1 divided by 8 and plus 1 divided by 8 squared and minus 2 and multiply 2 minus 13 and multiply 8 and plus 1 divided by 8 and plus 24 equals 0. And this I get 2 and multiply 8 plus 1 divided by 8 all squares and minus 4 and minus 13 and multiply 8 plus 1 divided by 8 and plus 24 equal 0. And now this I get 2 and multiply 8 plus 1 divided by 8 all squares and minus 13 and multiplied 8 plus 1 divided by 8 and plus 20 equals 0. Okay, now this we can substitute it by another variable. So now I let a equal 8 plus 1 divided by 8. And so this we get the new equation that 2a squared and minus 13a plus 20 equal 0. And so for this equation, we also can write it 2 a squared and minus 8a and minus 5a and plus 20 equals 0. And so this, I take 2a out. So now I get 2a and multiply a minus 4 a minus 5 and multiply a minus 4 equal 0. And now this I get take a minus 4 out. I get a minus 4 and multiply 2a and minus 5 is equal 0. Okay, now we have two factors equal 0. So this we get one factor equals 0 and this one factor is equal 0. So now we get a minus 4 equals 0 and 2a minus 5 equals 0. And now this I get a equal 4. And now this I get a is equal 5 divided by 2. And now this, if a equal 4, and I get h and plus 1 divided by h equal 4. And we get h squared and minus 4h and plus 1 equals 0. In this we get h is equal 4 plus or minus square root 16 and minus 4 and divide by 2, and it's equal 4 plus or minus 2 square root 3 divided by 2 and equal 2 plus or minus square root 3. And this, if a equal 5 divided by 2 and get h plus 1 divided by h equal 5 divided by 2. And so this we get h squared and minus 5 divided by 2h and plus 1 equals 0. And also we can write this equation, this h squared 2h squared and minus 5h and plus 2 equals 0. And this we get h is equal 5 plus or minus square root 25 and minus 16 divided by 4. And it's equal 5 plus or minus 3 and divide by 4. And also h is equal 5 plus 3 divided by 4 and equal 2. And 5 minus 3 divided by 4 and equal 1 over 2. So thus we get the values of h, that the solution is h equal to plus or minus square root 3 and h equal 2 and h equal 1 divided by 2 is our solution. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Goodbye.